During the summer of 2025, the Summit Trailmakers Society worked in conjunction with Recreation Sites and Trails British Columbia, Wildsight, and the Youth Climate Corps on a project to ecologically upgrade a section of the Brewer Creek Recreation Trail in the upper Columbia River Valley. This drainage, like many in the valley, provides water which not only makes its way down to the mighty Columbia River, but also all the way to the Pacific Ocean. Our mindset is that these, often fragile ecosystems, need to be looked after as best that we can. Our goal was to restore the alpine meadow along a section of the Brewer Creek Trail by rerouting away from the meadow, which was being damaged by foot traffic, and block off the previously existing section of trail. This will allow vegetation to regrow around the braided creek throughout the meadow. The new section of trail is approximately 300 meters in length. It lies to the north of the old trail on higher ground along a sparsely treed route which avoids the area of concern. The ground in this area is harder and drier, which improves sustainability of the trail. This trail upgrade will allow residents and visitors to the valley the ability to continue to access this beautiful area while disturbing the plant life and wet zones as little as possible. A big thank you to the Columbia Valley Local Conservation Fund and the Regional District of the East Kootenays. The grant money provided by you is essential for funding the labor portion of the trail upgrade project, which was completed this fall.